Hello students, welcome to Sufa English High School E-class. Today we are going to study the first chapter of class 10, gravitation. Student, we will see what is gravitation, but before that, if you have textbook, then take it in front of you, because we have to explain, we have to discuss the answer of some question given on the first page of your textbook. So on that textbook, first question is, what are the effect of force acting on an object? Student, you know that what is force. In 9th standard we have studied the laws of motion, definition of force, and all the concept related to the kinematics and Newton's laws. First of all, I want to show you the definition of force. Student, just listen, what is force? Student, force is a physical quantity which changes or tends to change the state of rest of a body or motion of a body. Means force is a physical quantity that brings the object in motion. Force is a physical quantity that brings the object in motion, or that makes the motion object to rest. That brings the object which is doing motion to rest is called a force. So what are the effect of force acting on an object? If any object is in motion, then by applying the force we can stop the object, or if any object is on rest, then by applying the force we can make it motion. Means force creates motions. Force creates motion of rest object. Student, as you all know that force is directly proportional to the motion. If any body is at rest, then by applying a force we can create the motion on that. So the answer of this question, what are the effect of force acting on an object? It depends on the state of the object. If the object is in motion, then by applying the force we can stop, or if any object is in motion, then by applying a force we can make it stop, we can bring it to the rest. After this, second question is, what are the type of force are you familiar with? Student, in our nature there are different type of force, such as chemical force, electromagnetic force, gravitational force, magnetic force, nuclear force. So there are several type of force, mechanical force, chemical force. So the type of force you familiar with, which type of force are you familiar with? You have to write in your notebook. I show you many type of force which are present in the nature. After this, what do you know about gravitational force? Next question is, what do you know about the gravitational force? Student, we all know that in our universe, any two objects attracts each other towards itself. In 9th standard, we have studied Newton's universal law of gravitation. What is Newton's universal law of gravitation, or what is the law of gravitation? That in our universe, if two bodies, consider the two bodies in our universe. First one is this body, and first one is body A and second is body B. Suppose these two bodies are placed in any part of the universe, placed anywhere in the universe, then body A will apply the force on body B and body B will apply the force on body A. Means both the body attract each other towards itself. This force is called as gravitational force. In the next lecture we will see the gravitational force in detail. So just you have to remember that gravitational force is a universal force which can be applied on the two bodies. If two bodies are placed in the universe, then the first body will attract the second body and the second body will attract the first body. This is nothing but a gravitational force. So this is the introductory lecture related to the gravitation first chapter. In the next lecture we will continue with the main topics and main concept related to the chapter. Thank you very much for watching the video.